Here at our booth we present an Arbok freeformer, and we print absorbable materials, implants for CMF. We can print almost all of the absorbable materials on the freeformer as long as it has no filling material inside. At the moment we have a very interesting project. We print an implant for the knee. It's a collaboration European project with customer and university. Of course we have two goals of 3D printing. The first one is patient-specific implants. That's not possible with injection molding. And the second idea behind is that to be a partner in a very early stage before we do molds for injection molding.
When you go to metal, of course the physics is different, and also the quality management, qualification of the process needs to be addressed very specifically in order to print here in case medical products, instruments, implants dedicated to patient. More and more today, it started a lot with orthopedics, craniomaxillofacial surgery, dental applications, but now we learn more and more in cardiology, ophthalmology, for example. I think 3D printing is fascinating because you have so much freedom to generate designs.